It's so cool that we're in this handmade submarine.
I hope we got all the parts.
Don't worry, we definitely did. Oops, maybe I spoke too soon.
Wait, we forgot a pump.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, we need a pump, but where do we get one?
I know, Decker Dynamics.
Okay, I'll call them now.
This is Larry Bluff. What can I do for you? Well, you have a job you'd like me to look at? Sure, I'd be glad to look at it for you. Can you send me some blueprints so I can take a look and see what's all involved and what machine that it would fall on? Well, that sounds good. Thank you very much.
In this scene, Art receives the important blueprints to our submarine pump. After a bit of reviewing, he's able to upload them to the computer so that the company can make us our pump.
Once the jobs are processed, they're put into a packet. They're sit here in bins with the jobs, the machine numbers on them. I make sure all the proper paperwork's in there that the operator will need to produce his part. Gotta go over the tooling, make sure that the tooling's in the house. Go over and make sure the actual part is here, make sure the part is correct. Once all that's verified, I get with the operator and the part, and we set the part up and hopefully machine a good part.
In your opinion, what sets Deckert apart from other manufacturing companies?
Deckert has open machines that hold different sizes of parts, whether small or big, with a lot of different parts and pumps. That helps a lot of different companies with their parts and getting their jobs done.
Deckert's here. We've got your pump all ready for you to pick up. Yes, whenever you come, that's great. Great, I'll see you soon then. Thank you, bye.
We are pumped that our submarine is A-OK. Thanks, Decker.